Namaste, welcome back to SkillWise. I'm Amit, and today we have something truly exciting lined up for you. We're diving deep into the fascinating world of Indian festivals, and in this video, we'll be uncovering 10 astonishing facts about one of the most vibrant celebrations, Ganesh Chaturthi. But before we begin, make sure to hit that like button and share this video with your friends. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification bell so you never miss out on our awesome content. And hey, why not follow us on Instagram, too? Find us at SkillWise for some behind-the-scenes fun. Ganesh Chaturthi, also known as Vinayaka Chaturthi, is a spectacular festival celebrated across India in honor of the beloved elephant-headed god, Lord Ganesha. Here are 10 mind-blowing facts that will leave you amazed. Fact number 1, did you know that Ganesh Chaturthi dates back to the 17th century during the reign of Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj? It became a grand public event thanks to the efforts of Indian freedom fighter Lokmanya Tilak, who used it to unite people during the British rule. Fact number 2, as the world grows more environmentally conscious, so do the celebrations of Ganesh Chaturthi. Many communities now opt for eco-friendly idols made from clay to protect our precious environment. Fact number 3, ever wondered what happens to those beautiful clay idols after the festivities? During the immersion ceremony, the idols are placed in water bodies, symbolizing Lord Ganesha's return to his heavenly abode. Fact number 4, Ganesh Chaturthi is not a one-day affair. The celebrations usually last for 10 days, during which homes and streets come alive with colorful decorations and joyous activities. Now, let's explore some unique ways Ganesh Chaturthi is celebrated across different states of India. In Mumbai, you can witness the most spectacular Ganesh Chaturthi processions, where beautifully adorned idols are paraded through the streets amid chants and drum beats, creating an electrifying atmosphere. Meanwhile, in Goa, you'll find a unique blend of Hindu and Christian traditions during Ganesh Chaturthi, showcasing the region's diverse cultural heritage. Foodies, rejoice! During Ganesh Chaturthi, you can savor an array of mouth-watering sweets and savories, from modak to puran pali, making it a true food fiesta. Ganesh Chaturthi is not just about celebrations, it's also a time for divine blessings and artistic creativity. Ganesh Chaturthi marks the beginning of new ventures and is believed to bring prosperity and success to all those who seek Lord Ganesha's blessings. Skilled artisans put their heart and soul into creating stunning idols of Lord Ganesha, ranging from small handheld versions to colossal ones that mesmerize the onlookers. Last but not least, Ganesh Chaturthi is a festival that fosters unity and togetherness. People from all walks of life come together to celebrate this joyous occasion, transcending barriers of caste and creed. And there you have it, 10 astonishing facts about Ganesh Chaturthi. We hope you enjoyed learning about this vibrant festival as much as we enjoyed bringing it to you. Before you go, don't forget to hit that like button, share this video, and subscribe to SkillWise for more amazing content like this. Also, follow us on Instagram at SkillWise for behind-the-scenes fun and updates. Oh, and one more thing, we've got some great news. SkillWise is now streaming its content as a podcast, perfect for those of you who want to learn on the go. So, be sure to check that out too. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay curious and keep learning. Happy Ganesh Chaturthi to all of you!